Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am doing an 8x10 canvas in the Bloom Technique style, and I am just going to be putting it down in lines, just random, laying down the colors. So the colors I'm using today are the same ones that were in the video from yesterday, and all the materials will be listed below. So I put down a pillow paint first, of course, and then I put down the dioxazine purple, and then the medium purple, both by Liquitex. And now I'm putting down the medium magenta. That's also by Liquitex Basics. And now I am using the Arteza light green, or pale green. It's called pale green. So now I'm using the primary elements, Douglas fir. So I'm just want to play around with just different shapes and then putting the topper on and blowing it out. So it'll just be random craziness. So now I just use the primary elements sweet thistle. So I'm going to use the black topper and the white topper after I get done putting down the colors. I forgot to put a little more pink. So I'll put quite a bit of topper down when I do that. It's going to be, yeah, there's the black. Alright, so now it needs to be blown out. And there's a lot of blowing out to do with all that everywhere. Sometimes it's fun to just go crazy and experiment. See what you come up with. Alright, so now we're going to spin it out after I get done doing a little more topper. There were a couple of spots that were just really plain. So alright, now I think we're almost ready to spin. I don't know about you guys, but with this lockdown, I'm having a hard time finding enough quiet long enough to just chat and do art at the same time, because people are coming in and out, you know. So I had gotten ready to start this one and shown all the colors and everything, and then people came in and started talking, and instead of getting upset, I just turned the video off and restarted it and do the silent thing, because tensions are high enough already. We don't need to be short-tempered too. It can be frustrating, though, sometimes when you're trying to create and there's a lot going on around you. So I'm just spinning it out and added a little bit more topper and blew that out. Now I'm spinning again. We're almost done. Oh, and now I'm checking it for stuff. If there's any little dried pieces or debris, always try to check it and pick it out before I get too far along. So, unfortunately on this one, I lost the wet close-ups. The video didn't turn out. So, we're going to go straight to dried results on this one. Alright, here are the dried results, and I'm so sorry, but I do not have the close-ups of the wet results because the footage was messed up. So, we're just going to do dried results. I love how the colors kind of look like watercolors, how they came together. This is fun. Lots of areas where there's some really nice detail. Some lacing and some cells. Alright, there it is. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.